Welcome to another tutorial on the products feature of the partner application. In this part, we are going to cover the fast connection option of this feature. Sometimes operators want to manage some common information of a product in a list quickly, like managing the relations, connect tags, and product codes. The fast connection feature is implemented to make this process easier. You can access this feature by clicking on the products from the operator sidebar and selecting fast connection from the options. As you see in the table, you can view a list of products in the system and view their codes, connected tags, and relations if any relation type is applicable to the products in the list. On this page, you can manage the products, codes, and relations all at once. You can search for the product you are looking for by entering a part number or keyword in the search section. You can also filter the results based on categories. For adding new codes, just click on the text field and enter a new code. As you see, the new code is added to the list. If there is no default code for the product, the newly added code will be set as default. You can make another code as default by clicking on the star button on the code. For removing a code from the list, click on the remove button on the code. The same process applies to any code section of the product for editing the list of codes. For updating the tags of the product, under the tag column, you can add new tags to the product by entering the tag name. You can add the new code either from the options, or if there is no suggestion for it, you can press the add, for example 1TBB as new tag, and add it to the list of the tags. If you don't need the tag anymore, you can press on the remove button and remove it from the list. You can also manage the tag icons or names from the tag management section later. You can view product relations columns that are applicable to the product in the table. For adding a new relation, you can click on the relation text field and search for the product by part number. Let's search for. Then you need to click on the part number from the list and it will be added as the part relation. For removing a relation, just click on the remove button on the part number and it would be removed from the relation. If you just like to view the tags and relations of the products in the list, you can easily hide any columns that you don't need in the table by clicking on the more options button on the column and selecting hide from the options. And as you see, the column will be hidden. Follow the same process for other columns you need to hide from the table. And by doing this, you can view the tags and relations of the products in the table for faster review of the records. You can also pin table columns by clicking on the more options button on the table column and choosing one of the pin options. And that's everything for managing the list of product connections with fast connections.